Yeah. Oh wait, back after the break. Just got the blade. Did the video. No, it was slow. Yeah, this is slow for my vision. This is really good bit track. Alright, this is my vehicle which I use. Should we do damage on you? No, you. No. What the? Really annoying. Okay. Get that. Can I do that? Oh, it's 24,800. What the? Sell some stuff. Sell some stuff. Definitely need to sell some stuff. So to sell, you literally just drag it over into here. So yeah, like if you like it, and you want me to do more videos on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And pretty much you'll probably just... I don't need these. I hate the items. Just keep selling. Has the screen even caught up with me yet? Just wait. Weird. I'm weird. I'm crap. Okay, shouldn't say that. I am awful. I'm getting better over time. That's all I can say. What? Level. No, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Wait, let me just have a look at this. No, yeah. Desi word. That's good. Keep you. Keep you because you knew. Why are we still doing this? Finally. In a minute. And get some battles done. Get this. More damage. Yes! Yay, I'm so happy. Now we can do so much more damage. Quick fight or championship? I'm on a winning streak, so I kind of don't want to lose in front of you guys. Championship, I'm not very good. Okay, let's just do championship. See how much better it is now. The updates. A lot of new people since we just got good league ended. I think it's slower on my screen. Don't know about you. Maybe because I'm doing a video. Definitely a lot louder. Or is it just me? I really can't see this. This is getting slow for me. It's glitchy. All of it. Face cam thing. Yeah. Oh, well, I've won all of them so far, I think. Like 6. Yeah, I've won all of them so far. Yeah! We're gonna get promoted. Gonna get promoted. Gonna get promoted. Oh yeah, you won 14 to instantly get promoted. But there is only 40 fights and you're gonna wreck me. No! It's unfair. I can't beat that guy. Because I do more damage than him, and he has 3 weapons. I only have 2. They might get 2. No, 3. Because I can get 3 on this thing. I'm gonna get another one. Okay. I'm doing a video with my dad. Yeah. Just watch this. Oh! Just got that. Nearly out of space. Okay, gonna probably stop recording. It's gonna make me stop recording in a minute. There's only one person I can't beat. I'm gonna get promoted at least. The good thing. Less than a minute now. Let's do a quick fight and then go, because that's kind of what all the action is. Oh my god, he is 0 AP. If you're fine with me swearing, just say. If you don't like me swearing, then I won't swear if you don't want me to. Oh yeah, I've gone up, because that's what that green arrow means. Top. By the blue stuff. Yeah. Stop recording now.